Do you guys know anyone who has trypophobia? They would freak out if they see any clusters. Actually, I am one of them. I totally freak out on any tangled wires and cords. Fortunately, PeakDo 4K Mini S Wave Wireless Portable Hub saved me from trypophobia. With it, your phones, cameras, and laptops can be projected on TV with no lagging, so you can enjoy the content on the big screen. Let's take a look at the design. Black sleek metal. The installation is simple. Just connect the HDMI and the USB port on the receiver to the TV and power adapter. Then connect the transmitter to your phone. There it is, wireless experience. Additional to Android and iOS, Harmony OS is also supported with a 4K output. Cinematic experience is by your hand. Take an immersive moment with us. If you think 4K is awesome, how about 1080p 120Hz with no dropping frames or latency? It's so smooth scrolling the page or running any apps on your phone. The 4K Mini S Wave Portable Hub is based on 60 GHz technology and its speed is 15 times faster than Wi-Fi. It can transmit the graphic of 4K 30 FPS and 1080p 120 FPS losslessly. Under the same environment, the image projected through Wi-Fi is clearly lagging, while the image projected through Wave is smooth and there is no lag at all. Test the latency using the stopwatch on the phone. Taking the photo and the time are exactly the same on both screens. Wireless projection with zero latency is achieved by this 4K Mini S Wave Wireless Portable Hub. If you're trying to get rid of the complex cables and enjoy the wireless world, this plug-and-play, zero latency up to 98 feet lossless transmitter, PeakDo 4K Mini S Wave Wireless Hub would go beyond your imagination.